Hi subscribers! So today I have a squishy, but it's not just any squishy, it's a baby squishy! And let's open her up.
Let me see it again. Hold it up real still.
Baby squishy.
Is that milk in there?
Well, I think this is like glue, but it's not on the baby. It's just like there's like a little crack, and it's like it's put it in there, but it doesn't like leak out.
Okay.
I'll show you guys.
Let's open it.
Okay, let me just find out where to pull it. Where is a tear strip? Oh, I got it. Subscribers, I got it.
You got it.
Subscribers. My mommy, they just put these out today in Walmart. Okay, let's open the bottle.
It's gonna leak all over the bed.
No, it's not. It's not, guys.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh, see?
Whoo.
Okay, guys, these are our keychains, and look, this is a mini baby bottle. It like matches with this baby bottle.
It does.
Okay, we're saving the baby for last.
Okay.
We're not gonna see who we got. Wait, where's her froggy? Where is? Oh, these two coming together.
Oh.
Okay, let's see who we got on the. Wait, there's a name tag. We can name her.
Let me see.
We can name the baby, but we're not gonna see who it is.
Okay. Let's open it. Let's just open it.
You guys. Mommy. Mama, come here and let's see who we got.
Who are you hoping for?
The unicorn, you know. Don't look.
I'm not gonna look.
This shows what the baby's gonna be, but we can't look at it yet.
Okay. Oh wow, you can. Oh, that's pretty neat.
Do you find somewhere to tear it?
I need scissors. Mama, don't look in the packet who it is, okay?
No, I'm just gonna puncture it for you.
Okay. Hands of steel. Who is it?
Okay, there's a blind bag right here. We're not gonna reveal the baby yet.
Okay.
We're gonna see who our animal is. If the animal, sometimes, the animal sometimes is different than.
Oh, we have a visitor. Pop, pop.
But sometimes the animal doesn't match up with the baby.
Puppy.
Sometimes the animal doesn't match up with the baby.
Sometimes it doesn't match up with the baby.
Sailor, who you got
It's a
there with you?
unicorn, little squishy.
Sailor.
Poppy, look, what's this you got?
Oh, what is it, Sailor?
It's a unicorn squishy baby.
It's a unicorn?
I think that's for the toy for the baby.
I think you might have got the unicorn.
I don't know. I don't think so. Sometimes they don't match up, she said.
Oh!
She got a baby.
Oh my goodness.
Unicorn.
You got the one you wanted.
Oh. Put her back in the milk.
Okay, guys, let's find out what her name's gonna be. Mommy, grab a pen.
Hey, Poppy. Do they smell like vanilla or something? Because she was sniffing.
What does it smell like?
No, they smell gross. They smell like plastic.
Ooh.
Where's the tear strip on
Hey, Poppy.
Mommy, get a pin so we can name her. You guys, we get to name her ourselves.
What are we going to name her?
I don't know. How do you open this stupid thing?
How about...
Oh, I opened it.
How about Corny?
No.
Corn on the cob.
Where's the name tag at?
Something flew on the floor over here. Look.
Where?
Mommy, this side.
A name tag.
There's your baby's name tag.
Okay.
It says new scented. Here is the checklist.
Name.
Oh, it already has a name, Tyler.
What?
Its name is Missy Maine and Sugar Hooves.
Mommy, I can name
Which
it.
one's the mommy?
The baby.
Missy Maine, and that's Sugar Hooves.
Oh.
How about Pika? Pinky.
Oh, and here's the birth certificate.
Wait, there's a birth certificate? Okay, let's pick a
That's
name
pretty
tag. Okay, how about baby? B.
And there's a sticker.
Well, that's pretty cool. Baby. Baby corn. What's the name of that corn you get at the salad bar? The little baby corn?
Okay, guys, we are going to do her birth certificate now.
Comment down below.
Okay, guys, this is her
name. Baby.
Here's baby. And tomorrow we're getting another baby.
Right.
But it's not these. It's a cry baby.
Oh, we can't wait for
guys.
that. It's coming in the mail?
Yeah, tomorrow. But guys, I gotta show you a picture of mine. It's on my computer. Where's
Okay, pull it up.
Okay, got a picture of her for you guys.
Oh, cool. Lammy.
Hey guys, let's look at some more. Oh, look at all her lammies.
Those are crybabies?
Yep.
Oh.
These are not. These are all not. They look like that.
Excuse me. Well, she's coming tomorrow sometime.
Wait, guys, I'm gonna show you some more. Guys, this is the one I wanted, but guess how much it was? $40.
No, I think she's 100.
No, she's 40.
The one we got was 30.
No, she's 40.
Oh.
This one's the one who's $100.
Oh, look at her.
That's the one I wanted, but my mom wanted.
Katie the crybaby.
Katie. KT.
Katie.
KT. I really wanted the one I'm getting or this one, because this one's adorable.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, who's that?
That's
Bonnie.
Bonnie.
Huh.
Okay, guys. Now it's time to look at this game. Guys, before we leave, we're going to look at this game. Okay.
Okay.
This is a game. It's loading. I love this game, but I just downloaded it, so I don't know what it is. I think it's like a pet hospital. I think.
Farm Animals Hospital Doctor 3. Come back every day and get more coins.
Yay! No, you don't want that.
Welcome to the Animal Hospital.
Oh. That's cool.
Okay, we're doing a cow.
Miss Violet spends too much time reading books in the dark. Let's help Miss Violet. First, wipe away the dirt.
Keep going.
There.
Great. Now take off the broken glasses.
Oh.
Ew. Clean the pus.
Oh.
Good job. Now let's get ready to test Violet's vision. Click it. Click it. We need a few eye drops. Let's take a closer look. Use the laser to fix her eyes. Good job. 3. Now put these figures on the board to test Violet's vision. 1. Triangle. Circle.
Nice job.
Very good.
Look how much money I'm already getting.
Choose new glasses for Miss Violet.
Ooh, look at her eyes. Oh, these have to get. Oh!
You can't buy any more, honey. You
Yes.
just ran out of money. Put some glasses on her.
Sunglasses. Look at them! I think we should go glasses.
Okay. Well, that was a cool game, though.
Guys, don't wait. We have one more patient.
Yay!
Great job. Now
Okay.
Miss Violet will be... Congratulations. You got a reward. Donkey ate too much
Hi,
candy.
guys. But
Now
we
he has
gotta
a
go.
toothache.
I wish we could play this game
Poor
all
Billy.
day.
Me too.
First, turn on the
Goodbye,
lamp.
everybody.